So I'm going to show you the integrations between the conference website and how it integrates with the conference registration portal. This is just to show you the simplicity between both of these. So you can see on our event meeting demo site, we have dynamic platinum supporters, which is a dynamic piece, important dates that comes from the conference registration, save the date, a conference blog, and even the sponsors that are on every single page. Now let's go to the registration admin site, and we'll go to the home, and you'll see here if the registration was open, there'd be a registration button showing, and this button would automatically disappear once your registration closes. Here's your conference blog. So this little tiny piece right here controls that button on the left. And again, here, platinum sponsors, you can put this anywhere on your site and it would show the platinum sponsors on here. The important deadlines dynamically creates this from your registration portal. Your iCalendar, that's to save the date. So again, you just add these dynamic parts to the conference website, and once you set up the conference website, you're done. You can do any update you need to, but you don't need to do a lot to it once it's built because the parts are dynamically coming from your registration site. You might update your About Us page, about the conference, about the location, but the registration information from important dates, platinum supporters, the blog, save the date, all this information, even the program, all come dynamically from the registration portal. So let's go to the program page, and again, you can see this is dynamically being pulled from the current meeting of this event. And if I go to the program here, you can see this is the piece that's on the website, and that's all you need on here. It'll automatically pull the program from the current registration portal. If we go to registration, again, important dates. If we go to registration on the admin interface, you can see important deadlines, and we have a register button here. And again, if this conference was open, the register button would show up. And you can also have a register button on the top zone here, or a submit abstract button. That way it's on every single page also. It just makes it a little easier. And the conference essentials. Now this is a login page. So when your customer initially comes to this page, it'll ask them to log in using their conference ID and a verification structure. But I've already logged in for this demo purpose. And on the back end, this is the back end of it, and you'll see there's agenda. So this is the dynamic piece for that agenda and poster link. And if you click on the program agenda, you can see it's the program that shows on the main site, but you can include speaker abstracts on this site. That way you can have a secured portal for more details for your attendees to see. And they can click here, and this is just an example abstract, showing the capabilities that Meeting Bloom has. And you can see the full program. If you have drop-down zones, you can use those. And you can also have your abstract poster list here. And again, it'll automatically number your posters for you, and you can change them if you need to change them. Your customers' abstracts are also loaded here. So it makes a nice integration for your poster lists. And anything else you can have, these are dynamic pieces too. This is just the piece you put on here, and it creates that dynamic link on the conference website. So email me a certificate. This button would only show up after the conference is closed, so there's no having this button beforehand, and it's just for your attendees that went to the conference. Email me a receipt. This button is on there all the time for your attendees. That way, when they log in here, they lost a receipt or something, they can get a new receipt emailed to them. And these are dynamic parts also. Conference blog. You can have a game tool, so you have gamification on your conference website. Your surveys, your polls, all these are dynamic pieces. And also on this tool, because it's a secured page, you can upload PDFs, images, Excel sheets. You can upload any document you need here. And because this is a secured page, the system will automatically secure these documents under a special secured folder, so nobody on the web can ever access this data. It encrypts it for you. And then there's a contact us page. And again, if you see here, it's just contact us. There's no special coding you have to figure out. You just put that on this page, and we're going to kind of set up this for you. There's a site we clone and we give it to you. You let us know the domain name you want to use. If you don't want to have your own domain name, we can have event.meetingbloom.com/your conference name. But if you need your event placed like conference.fasib.org or event.fasib.org/event1, event 2, event 3, if you have multiple events, then we can do that too. And it's all included in the registration, costs. Real quickly, we'll just show you that it is mobile responsive. You can see the complete mobile responsiveness. And I didn't say this before, but this contact us page, this saves you from having to put your email out on the web. Because you know what happens when you put your email out on the web, all of a sudden you get a ton of spam. And this eliminates the spam because you never have to put your email out on a website. So that's it. And if you like what we're doing here, please go to meetingbloom.com and ask for a demo. Like I said, the costs are really low because we really believe in helping nonprofits, get their information across, because we believe that doing this for nonprofits and societies and scientific data, we're helping the world a little bit. And that's our goal, is to, and I know that sounds a little corny, but it's true. Our goal is to help the world, and this is our part.